If you're searching for dog poop removal in Michigan and wondering what actually makes one company different from another, this video is for you. At Kroopin Poopin Scoopin, we service Canton, Garden City, Livonia, Redford, Wayne, Westland, Plymouth, Northville, Dearborn, and Dearborn Heights. We are locally owned, not a franchise. That means when you hire us, you are hiring a company that cares about this community because we live here and we're about doing things right. Here's how we do things differently. After every single visit, we send a closed gate photo. Security matters. You never have to wonder if your gate has ever been left open. You'll see the proof that your yard has been serviced and your gate has been secured. Every one of our technicians are background checked. We don't hire just anyone. These are trained professionals who show up in uniforms, treat your property with respect, and care about your pets. We also make things super simple on your end. We have a customer portal that allows you to update your schedule, make payments, and communicate with us super easy. No chasing people down, no confusion, just professional, smooth service. Our favorite service to offer is our weekly dog poop removal service, so your yard stays clean consistently. But we also offer one-time cleanups, just in case you need a little help getting back on track. We even have an awesome referral program because we appreciate you telling your friends and family about us. We also have a 100% satisfaction guaranteed because if you're not happy, we're going to make that right very fast. We don't like unsatisfied customers. If you're looking for professional dog waste removal service in Michigan that focuses on trust, reliability, and real customer care, that's exactly what we built Kroopin Poopin Scoopin around. Click the link down below for your free quote or give me a call at 734-658-1246. We'd love to service your home.